tape my image down. This is the first time I've done this, first time I've used this machine. I'm waiting on it to get hot enough again because it was on the wrong setting. I followed a tutorial. My first time doing this. I'll put on my heat protectant gloves. Almost hot enough. It would be easier if the damn paper cutter wasn't in the way, but that sucker weighs a ton and I didn't want to move it because I've got my sublimation printer on it. And this is the image that I'm working with, but this printed out wrong. So what I think I'm going to do is cut the words off so I can still use the image on the bottom, which will be fine for other things. I just can't use the words because they're going the wrong direction. They have to be backwards. So it's on 30 seconds. I don't need 30 seconds. I only need 10 seconds. But here we go. Okay, I did 15. Oh, it won't. It wouldn't let me. All right, I'm gonna turn that off. So I don't burn anything else. My laptop is gonna get too hot. And I just kind of wrapped a bit of paper around it. I didn't need to. But because the t-shirt is kind of like weird and flimsy. So let's, I'm gonna drop it. This is a t-shirt that I kind of hated wearing because it was like boring and plain. So it's not like technically a t-shirt that is made for sublimation. So if I screwed it up, it's okay. But it's my very first test at doing sublimation. Okay, so maybe I should have left it on a little longer because the L didn't go out that well, and this side doesn't look like it took very well, but it's kind of like faded looking, and that's kind of cool. Give me a second to put it on. Take my gloves off. And I'll go ahead and put it on really quick so you guys can see what it looks like on. It's all nice and warm still. So the L here and a little bit of the top of the eye and the O is a little bit faded looking. And in the image, it's still kind of like bold on the image. So it tells me that it didn't transfer. Also, like the bottom of the word things also still looks kind of like, so maybe I didn't leave it on long enough. And then here it's kind of faded looking. And then the ghost a little faded. But for my very first try, not so bad. I'm not unhappy with it. Plus, this is a 100% cotton shirt. And they say with cotton that it doesn't really work that well. And I need more room. This also doesn't lift up very high, which I'm going to have to like rearrange this because like This doesn't lift up very high, and the one in her video lifted up a lot higher. But I think, all in all, it's cute. I like it. So, ta-da, my very first Sublimation shirt. And so, if you guys want these, I have sweatshirts and blank sweatshirts in a range of size, some from small to extra, extra large, I think. I'll leave the description, or I'll leave it in the description box. And I have either white or gray sweatshirts and white or gray t-shirts. So I can make these in this design in sweatshirts and t-shirts. I also have some 3XL t-shirts that I bought Jason. These are triple XL. So I have a few colors of those as well. So anyways, yay.